This is the third part of chapter 9, that is ratio and proportion, and in this part we are going to start from question number 12 of exercise 9a. So question number 12, if A is to B is equals to 4 is to 9 and A is to C is equals to 2 is to 3, find B is to C and A is to B is to C. So first we have to find out B is to C, that is, we can also write it as B divided by C. So to find B divided by C, we can write it as B by A into A by C. So see, A in the denominator and A in the numerator will get cancelled. So ultimately we'll get B is to C. So what is my B by A? That is 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 into A by C is 2 by 3. So 2 into 2 by 3. So if I cancel this and solve it, we'll get 3 by 2 as the answer. Therefore, B is to C is equals to 3 is to 2. Now, A is to B is given as 4 is to 9 and we have got B is to C as 3 is to 2. Now, in both these ratios, we have B common, but the value of B is not same. So, to make it same, what we need to do is we will take the LCM of the two values of B. So LCM of 9 and 3 is equals to 9. So we have to convert this ratio, means the value of B to 9. So in the first one, that is A is to B, that is equal to 4 is to 9, the value of B is already 9. So we don't have to change or multiply anything. But in the second one, which is B is to C, the ratio is 3 is to 9. So we can change this 3 into 9. How can we change it? By multiplying the whole ratio by 3. So that will give us 3 into 3, that is 9, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now in both the cases the value of B is equal. Therefore we can write the ratio A is to B is to C is equals to 4 is to 9 is to 6. Next, question number 14. Two numbers are in the ratio 6 is to 1. On adding 2 to the first and 7 to the second, the ratio becomes 8 is to 15. Find the numbers. So we'll start with, let the two numbers be 6x and 11x. So according to the question, how will I write it? They have said we'll add 2 to the first number and 7 to the second number or the denominator. So 6x plus 2 divided by 11x plus 7. So the answer will be, that is equal to 8 by 15. Now we can cross multiply, that is 15 into 6x plus 2 is equals to 8 into 11x plus 7. So 15 multiplied 6x is 90x plus 15 multiplied 2 is 30 is equal to 8 into 11x 88x plus 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. Now take all the x terms on one hand. So 9x minus 88x. And if we take this 30 to the other side, so it will become 56 minus 30. So by subtracting 90 and 88, we got 2x. And 56 minus 30 is 26. Therefore, x equals to 26 divided by 2, that is equals to 13. Now, so what are the numbers? So the numbers are, one was 6x. So 6x means 6 into 13, that is equals to 78. Another was 11x. So 11 into 13 is equals to 143. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 15. A sum of money is divided between Mohan and Sohan in the ratio 5 is to 7. If Sohan's share is rupees 665, find the total amount. So first we'll start, let the sum of money be rupees x. So what is the sum of the ratios? So sum of the ratio is equals to 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12. So Sohan's share of money is equal to, it's given, the Sohan share of money is rupees 665. So, and we know that Sohan's share is 7. So we can write it that 7 divided by sum of the ratio, that is 12, into x, that is the sum of money is equals to 665. So from this equation we can solve for x and find the value of x. So x equals to 665. This 12 is in division in this side, so it will go that side and it will get multiplied, and the 7 is in the numerator will come to the denominator to the other side. Or another thing which we can do is, if I bring the 7 by 12 to the other side, it will be divided. So 665 divided by 7 by 12. Now the division sign will change into multiplication and the number will get reciprocaled. So we'll write into 12 by 7. And on further solving this, we'll get the answer as rupees 1140, that is 1140. Next, question number 17. A certain sum of money is divided among A, B, C in the ratio 5:6:7. If A's share is rupees 175, find the total amount and the share of each one of B and C. So first let us assume that the sum of money is rupees X and the sum of the ratio is equals to 5 plus 6 plus 7, that is equals to 18. And it is given in the question that A's share of money is equals to 175. So let us write the equation of A's share of money. So A's share is, out of the ratio, A's share is 5. So we can write 5 divided by sum of the ratio, that is 18, into the total money, which is X, is equals to 175. Now we can find the value of X from this. So again 5 by 18 will go to the other side, so it will get divided. So X equals to 175. The division will change into multiplication and the number will get reciprocal. So into 18 by 5. On further solving, we'll get the value of X to be rupees 630. Now let us find the share of B and C. So the total amount of money is equal to rupees 630. So B share of money is, so B share was 6. So 6 divided by sum of the ratio, that is 18, into 630, which is equals to rupees 210. C share of money, C share was 7. So 7 divided by sum of the ratio, which is 18, into 630, that is equal to 245. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching.